Mano ba shim yaka shuki who took the chair. U paralog jangpi u la shim. Your friend took it. Sha'ai u la bu. Where did he keep it? Where did he keep it? U la yaka shabar. He left it outside. Ông Yao U Ba. Tell him that Udan kam banwan ra biang yaka. He need to bring it back. Bu yaka hak kaju kajaka. Keep it in the same place. Lemda kumta un hap siêu. Otherwise, he has to pay. Balay bapin dahap perking kata kata. Why do you have to be very strict? Why do you have to be very strict? Namar kimday kimar jong nga. Because it is not my properties. Nga shu why ya ki. I am renting it.